Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access Google. Following that, click on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. But you can fix it by selecting this gear next to Password Manager, making sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on, logging in to one of your apps and hitting Save in Password Manager pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here. Now, to add any other one from those settings, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter Site Data or click on Select App and tap on Desired one and input all of those informations like email or username, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, just tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!